Hello everyone, in this video self-assessment term 1 model paper 2025-26 class 9th subject physical science question paper with the answer discussed in the video. Like, share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Let's start the paper. Class 9th subject physical science PS question paper. Total marks 40. Duration 1 hours 30 minutes. Section A multiple choice question. Each question has 4 options, out of which only one option is correct. Question number 1. A car travel a distance of 20 kilometers from point A to point B and return to point A. The displacement of the car 20 kilometer, 40 kilometer, 0 kilometer, 10 kilometer. Answer is a 0 kilometer. Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and the final point. Question number 2. What does the slope of a velocity time graph represent? Distance, displacement, acceleration, speed. What is the answer? Answer is the acceleration. Slope equal to change in velocity divided by change in time. This is equal to acceleration. Question number 3. Which of the following process involves a change of state directly from solid to gas? What is called evaporation, condensation, sublimation, boiling? What is the answer? Option C, sublimation is the correct answer of the question number 3. Question number 4. The arrangement of the particle in most order in solid, liquid, gaseous, plasma. What is the answer? Option A is the correct answer, solid. Particles in solid are tightly packed in a fixed, orderly arranged. Question number 5. According to Newton's first law of motion, an object is motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by A and N. Unbalanced force, balanced force, gravitational force, friction force. What is the answer? Option A, unbalanced force. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity, mass and acceleration, force and time, force and velocity. What is the answer? Momentum P equal to mass multiply velocity. What is the answer? Option A is the right answer. Question number 7. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? Option A, sand and water. Option B, sugar solution. Option C, soil. Option D, milk. What is the answer? Answer is a sugar solution. Option B is a right answer. It has a uniform composition throughout. Question number 8. The Tyndall effect is shown by true solution, colloid solution, suspension, both B and C. What is the answer? Answer is a colloids is the correct answer. Colloid particles are large enough to scatter light, making the path of light visible. Question number 9. The value of capital G universal gravitational constant is option B 6.673 into 10 की power of minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. Question number 10. The weight of an object on the moon is about of its weight on earth. Option 1 by 3, option 2 1 by 6, option C 1 by 2, option D 1 by 8. What is the correct answer? Correct answer 1 by 6. The moon gravity is about 1 by 6 of earth gravity. Now to the next section B. 3 cross 2 equal to 6 marks. What is the difference between distance and the displacement? Question number 12. Define an inertia. Which has more inertia, a cricket ball or a tennis ball? State the universal law of gravitation. Section C. Answer the following question in your answer booklet. Question number 14. Define evaporation. What are the factors that affect the rate of evaporation? Question number 15. What is a colloid? Write any three properties of colloid. Now the section D. Each question carries 8 marks. State and explain Newton's 3 law of motion with one example for each. Internal of the question. What is the acceleration due to gravity? Derive the expression for g on the surface on the earth. What is the difference between g and capital G? Question number 17 थे differentiate between mixture and compound with suitable example. Internal of the 17th question. Describe the following separation techniques with one example each. Evaporation, centrifugation, separating funnels, chromatography. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Thank you so much watching the video. Thank you.